And the best way of doing that is the best way of doing that is definitely with social media, because you can go through and find out who bought things from you in the past, create a look-alike or create a pixel of that individual, right? And your analytics will tell you this. And it will tell you, all right, you're looking for a male, age 18 to 25. He's from this area. He's online at this time to this time and most active. We walk around all day long with an iPhone in our hands or whatever phone we've got in our hands, and it's sucking in information about us. And you can use social media to actually just blast yourself with the preferences. Does this person, to the point, do they like a blue shirt or do they buy more red shirts? Do they only wear black? Do they, that is, especially if you're in clothing or things like that, it is incredibly good information to know, so you can then know how to order stuff. But your customer insights are going to tell you about the customer and the people that are actually spending money, what do they want from me?